Assalamu alaikum. Hey guys, welcome to Life Recipes. Black pepper beef stir fry. Ingredients you will need: 500-gram beef, thinly sliced and smashed so that it cooks well. 1 cup broccoli. 2 spring onion. 1-inch ginger sliced. 1 medium-sized onion sliced. 3 cloves garlic chopped. 2 tablespoons light soya sauce and ½ teaspoon dark soya sauce. 3 tablespoons oyster sauce. 3 teaspoons sugar. 2 teaspoons ground black pepper. 2 teaspoons white vinegar. 3 teaspoons corn flour. ½ teaspoon baking soda. Marinate the beef and keep it aside. For the marination, 1 tablespoon light soya sauce, ½ teaspoon baking soda, and 3 teaspoons corn flour. The baking soda tenderizes the beef. Coat evenly and marinate for at least half an hour. On a high heat, add oil. Pop in the onion and garlic and stir fry for 30 seconds. Push this aside and add beef in the center. Sear beef for 2 minutes. In the meantime, in a separate bowl, prepare the stir-fry sauce. That is the oyster sauce, soya sauce, sugar, ground black pepper, and the white vinegar. The beef is almost cooked. Toss well. Add in the stir-fry sauce mixture. Stir well. Simmer till the sauce thickens. Add in the ginger and spring onion. And also add in the blanched broccoli. Give it a toss. And black pepper beef stir fry is ready to be served.
Ooh yeah, yummy delicious! Yummy yum!
Try this recipe with your own choice of vegetables. Do try this recipe at home, and if you like it, comment below. Thank you and stay tuned.